musically it's wonderful, theatrically it's wonderful, and it's funny. It's a well-rounded evening out. But really, if you to sit there and have the experience wash over you, and have the music particularly enter your bones, is an experience like no other.
There is a lot of very good music in the piece, and as I say, it's a lot of fun too. Unusually for an opera, the dialogue is spoken, so there are scenes with just dialogue. In some ways more like a musical, I suppose, except albeit one that's written more than 200 years ago.
There's so many amazing tunes, and even if you've never been to the opera before, you probably recognise a lot of them. Especially The Queen of the Night, I think is probably the most famous piece. And what I love is you hear little kids after they're coming to a show walking around singing the tune of it because it's so recognisable.
I'd say it was charming.
Charming's a good one.
It's charming for me. Your turn.
I think stunning, because stunning captures many different things. Stunningly beautiful, stunningly dramatic.
I was going to say thrilling as well.
Yeah.
You know, it's because you have moments of
charming, stunning,
funny.
I would say funny, yeah.